Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to delete a Facebook Lite account permanently. So if you're having any issue or maybe privacy concerns for that reason you want to delete your Facebook Lite account, I'll show you the easiest way to do it. First, you have to open up your Lite app, and once it gets open, you have to click onto these three lines from the top right. Then you will get into this menu. Once you get there, you have to scroll down and under settings and privacy, you have to click on the settings. Once you click on settings, you will get to this page. Now, what you have to do here is that you just have to simply click on your account center, which is the first option. And after that, you have to click on personal details. Once you tap onto it, you will get into the personal details of your account. Then here you have to click on account ownership and control. Simply click onto it and then you will get to this page. You have to click the second option. Then here you have to click onto this second option, which is delete account. And after that, you have to click onto this continue option. Once you tap onto continue, it will take you to this next page. Here you have to choose any one of these reasons why you're leaving Facebook. And after that, it will show you some of these privacy options for Facebook. You can read it, and once you're done, simply click on continue. And after that, it will take you to this page. Now just simply scroll down and again click on continue. Once you click on to continue, it will ask you to enter your Facebook password. Just simply add it, and after that, your account will get deleted and you will back to this login page. So that's how you can delete your Facebook Lite account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.